In this gig, I am providing keyword-rich descriptions and setup for your YouTube videos, whilst teaching you exactly the what and why so you're sustainable going forwards. Video tags are becoming less relevant on YouTube these days, with the algorithm increasingly smarter and relying heavier on natural, satisfying video descriptions. So I aim to share the weight of your channel on my shoulders as if it were my own. After a deep dive into your content, getting to know your goals better, I will research your competition, find opportunities and keywords, and give your channel the best possible chance of natural growth. In this gig, you will get a clear document with all the descriptions I will add, so you can see the level of work that's gone into each and every one. I will log into your channel, rework the videos for you, saving you time and ensuring they are as good as they can be. And finally, with every order, I will set up an empty default description, share my knowledge how to fill it in, where I get the keywords from, and monitor to see the impact. Additional add-ons include branding such as banner art or thumbnails alongside the SEO, video call Q&A sessions, or even full channel creation. Come and have a friendly chat with me before you order, and let's see what we can do together. Increase your knowledge, improve your channel, and save yourself some time and money too.